Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how I turned this bike into this bike. Yes, it's another DIY. Let's get into it. I really wanted a bike to ride around on this summer. I was telling my grandparents about buying a new bike, and my grandfather offered up my aunt's old bike. I picked it up from their house, took it to a bike shop where I had the tires replaced, the bike tuned up, and checked just to make sure everything worked. And I brought it home to clean. The cleaning process was the longest process. I had to pull off all the stickers, clean up all the dust, and just really clean this bike. I'm in my living room cleaning my bike. I took the wheels off, they're over there, and I am just trying to get all of this the yuck and just grime off of it, cobwebs, just everything, guys. It's filthy. So I'm sitting here like hardcore trying to clean this thing. And then we'll go to the next phase, which is spray paint, well, taping and covering up the pieces that I don't want to, become mustard yellow. So hopefully this goes well. As you can see, I am taping up my bike. I am taping up everything I don't want paint to get on. So yeah. After covering the handlebars and various other areas with plastic or tape, I laid down a small tarp and spray painted what I believe is called the crankset and the pedals almond. I let this sit outside overnight for about 24 hours. Then I covered this area up with a plastic bag to begin painting my bike mustard yellow. I started my spray painting yellow one morning, and over the course of several days, I layered it with about 4 coats of spray paint. This was very hard, very tough to do on your own. If you can find someone to help you, definitely do that. It definitely takes several days because you need to let each coat dry before you're just layering them on. You see, I need to go back in and touch that up. There's some parts that I need to touch up just a little bit, but I've begun to kind of just take things off. I didn't probably do the best job of all time, I have to say. So you see little touch-ups that need right there. So I will touch those up, and I'll show you guys the final product once I put the wheels back on. Here's the finished product. It came out pretty good. I'm very happy. The seat, I replaced the seat. It was super simple. I found this wide seat on Amazon. I'm obsessed with it. It's super comfortable. The link to this seat is in the description box. Highly recommend. I'm very happy with this finished product. I love this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. See you all soon.